Hello dear students, welcome to Chem Class Academy. Today I am going to explain about density, that is easy to calculation of density. Easy to calculation of density. First, the density is defined. The substance, molecules, atoms or how much mass is given in a volume. How much mass is given in a volume. See here, but it is substance, molecules or atoms given in a volume. It is given in a volume. Substance, molecules and atoms are tightly packed. In this tightly packed, the molecules, atoms or substance are close together and tightly packed. But here there is no close together and there is no tightly packed. So it is more density and it is less density. It is concept about density. Now, easy to calculation of density, but given a question, but easy to calculation. They will ask a question different possibilities in this topic. First formula is D is equal to m by v. It is D represent density and m represent mass and v represent volume. It is formula of density. Formula of density. So in this formula, in this topic, they will ask question. It is possibility. So they will ask find out density and mass and volume. It is possible to find out density, mass and volume. If you want to find out, they will ask the question. If you want to find out density, if you want to find out mass and if you want to find out the volume. So it is easy to find out in this question, but density or mass or volume. They will ask in different ways and different possibilities. So observe here, it is triangle. D density, mass and volume. Keep it in your mind in this diagram. So they will ask the question. Find out density. So if you want to find out, find out density. If you want to find out density. So density is which one is there? It is by. So is mass by volume. It is simple, or volume. And if you want to find out mass, it is opposite, symbol is cross. It is cross. And what is this? Density and volume. It is density and volume. And if you want to find out volume, so what is so m by d. It is is equal to m by d. It is using this formula. If you want to find out density using this formula, if you want to find out using this formula, if you want to find out using this formula. So they will ask the possibilities of this type of questions. So now you can solve the some problem, give examples, and you can understand easily to how to calculation of density. In these units mean mass units. It is mass units is grams or kg, and volume units meter cube, centimeter cube, and millimeter cube, liters and milliliter. It is this units of volume and units of mass. Now solve the some problem. You can easily understand how to find out density and mass and volume. The question is, benzene is a liquid with the density of is instead of 0.876 gram per centimeter cube, with volume is 50 centimeter cube. What is the mass of benzene? In this question, they will find out mass. Find out mass. So write how to derive formula of the mass. So density, mass and volume. It is easily. So mass is equal to density into volume. It is using this formula and find out mass. So mass may also question mass. Density is, in this question, density is, benzene density is 0.876 gram per centimeter cube, and volume is 50 centimeter cube. It is a given volume. So you can find out mass of the benzene. So density 0.876 grams into volume. Volume in 50 centimeter cube. It is grams, 1 centimeter cube. It is 1 centimeter cube equal to 0.16 grams of benzene. It is, for example, the cube, 1 centimeter cube. It is capacity. It is 1 centimeter cube. 1 centimeter cube. The capacity is 0.876 grams. The capacity of 1 centimeter cube equal 0.876 grams present in the 1 centimeter cube. So you can find out mass of the benzene. So centimeter cube and centimeter cube cancel. So mass is equal to 0.876 grams into 50. It is almost 43.8 grams. 43.8 grams of mass. So 1 centimeter cube 0.876 grams, and 50 centimeter cube. 50 centimeter cube of volume. It is 50 centimeter cube. So 50 centimeter cube. This volume is 50 centimeter cube. So 43.8 grams present in the 50 centimeter cube of volume. Present in the given volume. It is 50 centimeter cube. 1 centimeter cube is equal to 0.876 grams. It is the answer is 43.8 grams. The next question is, Benzene is a liquid with a density 0.876 gram per centimeter cube with mass is 5.5 grams. What is the volume of benzene? The last question, they will ask the question. Last question is mass. You find out the mass. This question is find out the volume. So for formula, density, mass, volume, and density. It is volume. So you can find out volume. V is equal to divided by mass divided by density, or volume is equal to mass by density. It is formula using to find out volume in this question. So mass is given 5.5 grams and density is given 0.876 gram per centimeter cube. It is the values from this question. So now find out using this formula. Mass is 5.5 grams by density 0.876 grams into 1 centimeter cube. Okay, 1 centimeter cube. 1 centimeter cube. Now value is 5. Gram cancel. 5.5 by 0.876 into 1 centimeter cube. Almost all 6.27 centimeter cube. The answer is 6.27 centimeter cube. So it is find out the volume using this formula. It is easy to find out for calculation of volume, mass and density. The next question is, benzene is a liquid with mass is 43.8 grams and the volume is 50 centimeter cube. So what is the density of benzene? The first question is you can find out mass and the next question is volume and this question is density. So already know density formula, but easy to understand density, mass and volume. It is. So density is from this diagram, density is equal divided by mass divided by volume. So density is mass by volume. It is the density original formula. So you can find out density, main density. The mass is given 43.8 grams and volume is given 50 centimeter cube. So what is the density of benzene? So it is 43.8 grams by 50 centimeter cube. So almost it is 0.876 grams per centimeter cube. It is the units of density. It is the density units of density, gram per centimeter cube and kg per meter cube. It is the density of units, and this is the value of the result. Final result is the density of benzene is 0.876 gram per centimeter cube. So in this topic you can find out density and volume and mass, the given questions, different questions. So you can find out mass, volume and density. It is easy to this triangle technique. It is easy to tricks. It is one of the tricks So easily find out density, mass and volume. So in this main concept of this topic is AG2 calculation of density. AG2 calculation of concept of density. Okay. Thank you very much.